Understanding Hinge Repair, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, hinge repair. This might seem like a technical term at first, but we'll break it down together to understand its meaning and usage in everyday English. Let's dive in. A hinge is a mechanical device that connects two solid objects, allowing a limited angle of rotation between them. Common examples are door hinges, which allow doors to open and close. Understanding this word is key to grasping the whole phrase. Repair means to fix something that is broken or damaged. It involves restoring something to a good condition. In English, repair can be used as both a noun and a verb, which we will explore further. When we combine these words, hinge repair refers to the act of fixing or restoring a hinge to its proper function. It's often used in contexts related to carpentry, mechanics, or DIY home projects. Let's see some examples. 1. I need to do a hinge repair on my kitchen cabinet. 2. Could you recommend someone for hinge repair services? Don't confuse hinge repair with general repair work. It's specifically about fixing hinges. Remember, hinge is a noun in this phrase, while repair can be a noun or a verb. And that's it for our lesson on hinge repair. I hope this video helps you understand this phrase better and boosts your confidence in using it correctly. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.